Welcome to the first module of the Coaching Critical Moments program, Foundations of Occupation-Based Coaching. In this module, we will learn about the differences between occupation-based coaching and occupational therapy and traditional pediatric occupational therapy. Then discuss some coaching methods in occupational therapy that are the foundation of occupation-based coaching. Next, we will discuss the similarities of these methods and define occupation-based coaching for this program. Then we will go over some important coaching terms. Finally, we will discuss the foundation of the Coaching Critical Moments framework and what the rest of the modules are going to cover. So in traditional pediatric occupational therapy, the practitioner is in control. They do most of the talking and intervention activities, and they generally are telling the family what is best to do. In coaching, the client and family members are in control. The practitioner is more of the listener and trusts the family members' ideas. The practitioner listens to what the client and the family say and helps them contemplate possibilities for interventions and reflect on learned skills. There's a lot of confusion with the term coaching in occupational therapy. There are several different forms of coaching, providing many different definitions, processes, and ways of delivering information for a coaching intervention. For the purpose of this program, we are looking at 4 styles of coaching in occupational therapy and creating a singular definition, process, and form of information that connects all of the coaching styles into one. We are calling this coaching occupation-based coaching. So to form our singular form of occupation-based coaching, we have 4 distinct published methods of coaching seen in occupational therapy. There is strengths-based coaching, evidence-based coaching, occupational performance coaching, and the model of coaching enablement. Let's talk about each of these styles quickly and then discuss the similarities that form occupation-based coaching. What is strengths-based coaching? A coaching approach that focuses on the client's strengths to create and provide interventions that include strategies to help the client participate in daily activities by working directly with caregivers and clients throughout the entire process. What is occupational performance coaching? Coaches work with coachees to achieve occupational performance goals for parents and their children through occupational-centered intervention. What is evidence-based coaching? An adult learning strategy where the coach promotes the coachee's ability to learn and reflect on their actions to practice and develop a skill or plan for immediate and future situations. This form of coaching is useful for parents, teachers, and other care providers to promote competence in child participation within everyday routines and activities. What is the model of coaching enablement in occupational therapy? A conversation-based partnership for facilitating client change from their current state to a more desired future state. The process is client-centered, self-directed, and is grounded in self-awareness, personal values, strengths recognition, possibilities, choice, and self-responsibility. These 4 styles of coaching have several common themes that link them together to help create this singular form. These common themes are to be client-centered, family-centered, to coach clients and caregivers, to be client and caregiver-led, strengths-based, and to have positive outcomes for families and children. So let's take these common themes and form a singular definition for what we call occupation-based coaching, based on a combination of these coaching styles that we've discussed. Occupation-based coaching is a family-centered and led interaction where the family is involved in the entire therapeutic plan, and interventions are created to strengthen relationships and improve competence and participation in family routines. There are some other important definitions to pay attention to in occupation-based coaching. First, we have the coach. This is the OT practitioner that is coaching the client and the family. A coach guides the session, but is not in control. Using this acrostic of the word coach, we can recognize some characteristics. A coach is competent in occupational therapy, open to what the family has in mind, adaptable to discussions and interventions, caring and encouraging to the family, and is honest and trustworthy. Now, the coachee. The coachee is a client, child, parent, caregiver, family member, or combination of all of the above. The coachee is where the change will occur in occupational therapy through learned skills and behaviors. The coachee is in charge of this relationship. So why did Coaching Critical Moments create an occupation-based coaching framework? To define occupation-based coaching as a singular form, to combine important ideas from founders of coaching methods, to provide guidelines for coaching sessions, to link important documents for coaching, and to provide hands-on learning and training. Here's a brief overview of the Coaching Critical Moments coaching framework. Connect, process, and reflect. Connect. To build a connection with your clients through intentional characteristics and understanding the family need. Process. Take action in the plan, keep the client at the center, keep the caregiver in the main seat, follow session guidelines, provide feedback, evaluate, and determine when goals are met. Reflect. To determine bridges and barriers, discuss areas of improvement, generalize skills learned, and share success stories. We'll talk more about the coaching process and framework in the following module. Please return to the Coaching Critical Moments program to continue to the Module 1 knowledge check.